Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing, finally, the tap dance number 2. So if you guys have been watching my tap dance videos, basically I've been teaching you guys tap move number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if you guys have been really watching those and practicing, it's great because now we are learning the tap dance number 2. So if you haven't, there's going to be links below, so just check those out if you haven't. And now, let's get started on the tap dance. So I'm going to face the front for this, and actually no, I'm going to face the back, and if there's any tap moves that I want to go over, I'll face the front, okay? So you're going to lean on the right, so you're going to do right, left. So you're going to be transferring your weight, and you're going to do right, left, and then you're going to do a right, left, right. And then you're going to put your weight on the left, back on the right, and then left, right, left. Now from here, you're going to do heel, brush, toe, heel. Like I said, if there's any troubles with these tap moves, just check out the links. They'll help it a lot, and then you can come back and learn the dance. Okay, so we're going to start with that right foot. You're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold the left foot. So again, let's start from the top. We put our weight on the right, back on the left, and a right, left, right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And then right foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold. Now this part's quick. It's the brush, cross, toe, toe, brush, cross, shuffle, step. So it goes with that right foot. I'm going to face the front for this. It is right foot. Okay, ready? And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's right and then left. So again, I'll face it back now. We do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll have that foot up in the air, and you're going to do a hop step. So it's going to be left, right. So again, just finish that shuffle, hop step. And now I'm going to move over a little just so I can walk. So we just finished shuffle, hop step, and you're going to walk left, right, left, right, left. So again, we just finished the shuffle, and you're going to hop step, and right, left, right. So when you do right, left, you kind of go down a little bit, okay? So again, we just finished that shuffle. Last one, hop step, which is left, right, and walk a left, left, left. And you're going to hold for 4 counts. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This is kind of just like a chilling out period. You get 4 counts, so just relax, okay? So take it in and just keep it chill. And we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do the traveling tap steps. Now these are, I find challenging, so you might find them challenging too. So once again, I'm not going to teach them thoroughly, so if you need help, check out the links. Seriously, I keep saying it, but I just want to remind you guys that those links are there. So just in case you need help, that'll help a lot, and then come back, okay? Just like to keep reminding, but I'll stop now. Just letting, this is the last time letting you guys know. There are links below, so just check them out. All right, so we just chill where we did 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to use your left heel, and then your right toe comes out. So it's 1, 2, and then these are 3 traveling steps, and they're kind of slow. So it's left, right. So remember that heel comes down, and then you're going to do and 1, 2, 3, hold, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 3 traveling step backs, you're kind of staying. So you do heel, toe, and 1, 2, wait, heel, toe, tap, heel, toe, heel, toe, 1, 2, 3, hold, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to face the back. So you guys, I'm not going to face this way, the side. I'm going to face the back so you guys can see my feet a bit better. So we do 1, 2, 3, hold, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just remember there's 3, then you hold, and then 8 quick traveling steps. And you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the count. So again, we just chilled. So So you 1, 2, 3, 4, heel toe. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from here, you're going to do the Irish step. So right foot, do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you start with your right, and then your left. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from here, you're going to do the step, shuffle, ball change step. So you're going to step out on that right foot, step, shuffle, ball change step. Sorry, again, so it's right. So you step out with that right, step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change. And then you're going to cross. So I'm going to show you the step, shuffle, ball change, facing the front. So we do, with that right foot, you step out, step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change. Okay? So again, we just finished, let's go from the left heel toe. So we just finished the chill, and now your left heel comes down, right foot comes out. So we do 1, 2, 3, hold, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and Irish step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Whew, it's quick. So let's start from the top. So you're gonna put your weight on that right foot, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, hold, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're almost done. Almost done. Now you're just gonna sit. You're gonna face the front. You're going to brush your right foot forward, then cross, and you're gonna do a turn, turning to the left, full turn all the way around. You're not moving your feet, so you do. Right foot comes over, cross, toe. This is a nice slow turn, turning to our left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry. Counts are off. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from here, you're gonna pop your right hip out, and it'll be right, left, left. And have a little bit of style to it, so arms crossed, and we do 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it, guys. It's a short dance, but the moves are hard, and some of them are really quick. So I'm gonna face the front now, and I'm gonna do it, with the counts. I'm gonna say the counts with you guys, and I'm gonna try doing it through the front, and hopefully it all goes well. I just want you guys to see my feet, so we're gonna try facing the front. All right? And a 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop, step, and left, left, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, hold, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. But I think I need something to make this this whole dance complete, and the outfit too. And voila! Now I have the hat, I have everything complete. I hope it wasn't too hard. The only thing that I think would probably be a little more challenging is those traveling tap steps. So like I said, I didn't teach it too thoroughly, so if you want to look at it, just the links below. And so in a couple weeks, I'm going to do this tap dance with the music. So look for it. In a couple of weeks, it'll be up. And I hope this teaching helped you guys. And I hope you had fun. So anyways, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.